Hey guys, so I'm here and I have this new no chew deterrent spray. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it comes with. I got my little dog right here, and she's been chewing a little bit on. She chews on these random little zip tie things. So I'm planning on spraying a bunch of those and then leaving them out so then she won't do it. So this is what it comes with, guys. It's a no chew spray, so it's perfect. So this is for growing the habits on these dogs to get them to kind of stop chewing stuff. And so this is what the bottle comes with. It's a big bottle. And so the spray can leave a smell. Okay. So what you do is you shake it up and then you spray it. You spray it somewhere that you don't want the dog to chew, and then you tell them, no, and you put their face in it, and then they understand that they are not supposed to chew. So I'm gonna use this around. I mean, you can already tell she is not very entertained with the smell. So I mean, it definitely works, and how it works is when they chew on it, it just doesn't taste good. So then they have no reason to chew on it anymore. And so once you do it enough, then they realize, oh, this stuff doesn't taste good, so I just don't want to chew on it anymore, because you've sprayed it all with that, and then they realize it, and then you don't need to use it anymore. So that's how it kind of works. And so I'm going to use this on my little zip ties and stuff with my little doggy to make sure she doesn't keep eating those. But this is perfect, and I'll give it a thumbs up.